Hello, and a very Merry Christmas. This is a special message from a former president. I hope that you are having a great day and that you've got plenty of gifts this year. But unfortunately, there is one gift you may have forgotten to get yourself the Royal Accelerator course. Today, only you can get it in your hands. On the advanced training for 40% off the usual $100 investment. Multiple current students have gone on to generate $2,000 to $3,000 per month in passive income if you have been having a hard time with KDB. Well, this is your answer. Click the link below to get 40% off. It's time to accelerate your passive income. This incredible offer is available only today. Thanks you for listening, and once again, Merry Christmas.